Alkaline drinks are beverages that have a higher pH level, typically above 7, which means they are less acidic and more alkaline. These drinks are believed to help maintain or restore the body's natural pH balance, potentially supporting overall health by reducing acidity. Here are some common examples of alkaline drinks. 1. Alkaline water. pH adjusted water. Alkaline water is regular water that has been ionized to increase its pH level. This can be done through special water ionizers or by adding minerals like magnesium or calcium. Natural alkaline water. Some spring waters are naturally alkaline due to the minerals they pick up as they flow through rocks. This type of alkaline water is preferred by many who follow Dr. Sebi's guidelines. 2. Herbal teas. Non-caffeinated teas. Herbal teas made from naturally alkaline plants are popular choices. Examples include burdock root tea, sarsaparilla tea, known for its high iron content, ginger tea, dandelion root tea, and chamomile tea. These herbal teas can help maintain an alkaline environment in the body, as they do not contain caffeine, which is considered acidic. 3. Coconut water. Natural electrolytes. Coconut water is naturally rich in potassium and magnesium, making it an alkalizing beverage. It's also hydrating and helps to balance electrolyte levels. pH level. Fresh coconut water has a pH level around 7 to 8, depending on its source. Green juices. Leafy green juices made from ingredients like kale, spinach, watercress, and dandelion greens are considered alkaline due to their high mineral content, especially magnesium and potassium. Cucumber juice, in particular, is known for its alkalizing effects and high water content, making it a great choice for an alkaline drink. And sea moss gel, often recommended by Dr. Sebi, can be blended into juices for an additional alkalizing effect. Lemon or lime water. While lemons and limes are acidic in their natural state, they have an alkalizing effect once metabolized by the body. Drinking water with fresh lemon or lime juice can help maintain an alkaline balance. Many people drink warm lemon water first thing in the morning as a gentle detox and to support digestive health. Vegetable broths. Broths made from alkaline vegetables like kale, zucchini, and bell peppers can be consumed as warm drinks. These broths are rich in minerals that can help maintain alkalinity. Broths made using seaweed like sea moss or bladderwrack are also considered very alkalizing and are frequently recommended in Dr. Sebi's regimen. Smoothies with alkaline ingredients. Smoothies made with fruits like bananas, avocados, mangoes, and berries can be alkalizing, especially if paired with leafy greens. Ingredients like sea moss gel, hemp seeds, and natural alkaline water can be added to smoothies for an extra boost. Alkaline drinks are usually derived from natural sources and emphasize being free from additives, caffeine, or artificial sweeteners. Their goal is to support an alkaline pH level in the body, which some believe may help reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and boost overall energy.